All right, I purchased this. It's a Spytech GPS. I'm not going to spy on anybody, but I am going to put it on my RV, so in case it ever is abducted without my knowledge, I'll be able to track where it goes. And in the package that I purchased, it's got a box that you put the actual tracker in. So I'll open up and look at that, and then we'll open up and take a look at the tracker. I think I need an app or a subscription to use this, so we'll know more once I open it up. But let's get into opening these up. And evidently this has really strong magnets, so you can just attach it to the frame of the camper. So let's take a look. All right, it says it's just put the GPS tracker in a case, press and close the latch, mount the case to a clean, dry metal surface, and just know that this is not for use underwater. So make sure it's not going to go underwater. You can probably handle rain and spray. Ooh, look at those. Look at that. Those must be the magnets. And there's a okay, so it's got foam in there. You can seal it. Yeah, it's got a little bit of a rubber, seal there. So you put that down and bam, you got it sealed up. So that's what the case looks like. All right, and that's what the tracker. It's a GL300 tracker, and it's by Spytech GPS. All right, I took it out of the plastic. Now I can just slide the cover off, and then we'll open this and see what's in there. All right, start tracking in 3 easy steps. Charge your device, create an account, choose your plan. So yeah, it definitely needs a plan. So we'll see how much that is. So let's take the device out just to take a look at it. There's the charge port. Not a whole lot to it, but I guess it doesn't need a whole lot. So, and then here in the box, you got your charge cord and some kind of screwdriver. So, not sure what that's for. And then the plug for your charge cord. So that's everything you get. Let me check into this account and plan, and I'll let you know how much all those cost as well here in a second. So I'm on the website for the GPS tracker, and as you can see, it is relatively expensive for monthly tracking. So I just wanted to make sure I put this in the video too, so you knew what you were getting into. So there you go. Hopefully this helps you out and helps you make your decision.